Hi everyone, it's about 5:15 and this is your closing comment for Tuesday. We had a very split market today. The Nasdaq was down substantially, 122 or 1.4%, and the Dow was actually down only $32. Of course, that was after being up 470 and down 120. The S&P was down 16 or roughly 0.52%. The Russell was the big winner, up 1.2% or $16, and the transports were up almost 90, which was 1.08%. We had particularly poor numbers on consumer confidence, down 53 versus a much higher number, and the Richmond Fed also down substantially. Market internals on the New York were 2.5 to 1, while over on the Nasdaq they were only 9 to 7, and volume was pretty light. We had a whole slew of earnings, including PepsiCo's last night, and then this morning on the upside, we had Harley Davidson HOG and ADS, as well as Alaskan Air, all doing better. Tonight, after the close, we had Google, which initially looked like a little bit of a miss, but it turned out that was a bottom line miss and not by much, and revenues were substantially higher than expected. The stock had closed down about $40 and turned around and is up about $30. Starbucks missed revenue growth and it was lower, and Mondelez beat top and bottom line. Their expectations were a little higher, but they gave them the benefit of the doubt because internal growth was up 8%. And AMD beat both top and bottom. The stock is up from roughly 36 to a high of 57 in the last month, but they missed on revenue growth, and the stock is down about $2.50 right now. And I usually save this only for the Daily Note as a home run of the day, but this one is just too good not to mention. The symbol is CREX, and the company name is Creative Realities. And what Creative Realities, which closed yesterday $1, up 22% from 75 cents, is a non-contact temperature reader. The stock, as I said, closed at $1 yesterday. It was as high as 5.15 tonight, and that would put it 5.15 up 4.15 or 415% gain, and it's hard to call that anything but a home run. The chart tonight is the S&P, and I've been kind of harping on this for since about 2600, expecting supply there, which didn't materialize for more than a couple of days, and then again in this area at 2720, which we went right through, and then again in this 2870, 2880. Today we hit 2913 and came back down and closed 2767.20, which was down $1.80. We have a position on in the SPXU, which is an inverse ETF. And I'm thinking that if we would get back just even to 2,800 or 2760 in this area, that would be a very popular trade and quite profitable. Okay, everyone, have a good evening. I'll be back for